Hello everyone, I am Prijith, Business Development Executive in Fagor. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are showcasing our feedback systems for the defense and aerospace sections, which is for their precision application. And we have in our CNC Elite 2.0 have an advanced feature called we can integrate our CNC systems and with the third-party motors. So that will increase the ability to transform your machine to the better performance and everything. So you can transform your legacy machines to better ones. It's been 45 plus years. Fagor Automation is serving manufacturing industries with their wide range of products from feedback systems to CNC controller. We have the all tailor-made solution with us, and we are getting some good response from DEFTECH 2026. And thank you everyone for visiting us.